So we have here a simple login and sign up web page. In this video, we will walk you through how this web page works from the user interface to the backend functionality. Let's get started. So let's start first of all our website and make it run in our port 3000 where I have set its port to 3000 manually, so it will run on that. So this is our browser here, and let's make it like this. So this is our browser here, and let's enter our website name, which is http://localhost and 3000. Now our website looks like this, and where you have a login page and a sign up page or link here, and in the sign up link there phone number is asked for the user to enter, and let's say a user enters his phone number. Let's say a random phone number we can insert here is 45678, and username, suppose his username is Hari. Okay, now password, let's say 1234. We have a peak button on the password which we have set on the sign up as well as login page here. So we have this button. Now let's sign up first, and there you have the message of sign up being successful. And now let's head to the login page and enter the same sign up details which we have entered. I forgot. Then you can see here we have stored what was our username, 45678. Obviously it will not be visible to the customers. So now you can see the login is being successful. So let's see how this website works. And in the public module we have a login page set up here, and there you have another page which is our sign up page, and it's all of its components design are here. The login form collects the username, password and phone number, and then it sends this data to our server using the post method. The same applies to the sign up form. Now let's dive into the backend, which is powered by Node.js and Express. Our server file server.js sets up the server and handles requests from the front end. And you can see here we have our server file. First we initialize Express here and set the server listen on port 3000. We also use body parser to handle URL encoded and JSON data. Now here you can see we have defined routes for the route path for sign up and login page in our server.js file. Okay, so server can know where our login data goes and sign up data goes. The login route works similarly. It receives the login data, reads the user from the JSON file and checks if the credential match or any of the password or username have been matched to the existing user. If we have mistakenly selected the same username, the form our website which was there, it will say that it is an existing user. Let's see an example of that. We have stored, we can see here we have a username which is Akash. Let's see how we can trigger the effect where we have the same username. Let's suppose our phone number is different from everyone, but our username is the same, which is Akash. Okay, then let's say password is something random. Now if we try to log in, our login will be failed because our username already exists in our user data file. And this is it. We have created a basic but functional login and sign up system using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with our backend, which is powered by Node.js and Express. This setup provides a solid foundation that you can expand on for more complex application. Where if we want to design something or any kind of slider here, we can do that with this code. Thank you.